quick video regarding the issue if the two plastic halves come apart and somehow the connector is coming out. So there are two miniature screws here. You can use a star screwdriver, and you have to be very delicate when you open it. Just gently unscrew each screw and they should come out. Here's the second one. So when you pull these two apart, you're going to see inside is basically the wires going to a connector. So this is basically the connector that plugs in. These two shells are just there to do strain relieving and so on. So it's possible that it's kind of popped out. There's a little groove here, and that this lip is supposed to catch into that groove. So if it's kind of come out, then the plastic will probably want to pull out. So just kind of reseat it in the groove. You press it in, make sure the cable, so here it's firmly in place. Then I'm going to place a same idea with the top shell. There's a little groove that's just going to catch on the lip over here. So I'm going to just press it here. So one thing you could do is apply some crazy glue or some adhesive to the plastic here and here, so that when you glue them together and screw them back in place, when the glue sets, it's going to be very hard and it won't split apart again. The last part is to place the screws back in place. Now these screws, they will strip. Like you should be very delicate when you screw them in. You don't want to over tighten, so you just want very finger tight until you feel resistance, and that's good enough. Go to the next one, screw it in with a bit of resistance. With this, the repositioning it and applying some glue, that should solve your problem. To take off the this connector, always squeeze. See, there's a little tab. Squeeze with your fingernail first, then you pull out, because this little lever is a locking mechanism. So when you push it in, it clicks. So it's like it will actually grab onto a little hook. So before removing, always press with your fingernail, then you pull. There should be no resistance when you pull it out of the musical mushroom. If there is, it's locked. Do not try to force it. So it's important you always squeeze that before pulling. And if you do that, you shouldn't have any issues. Yeah, so this is how I would repair this if you want to do it very quickly. All right.